Today I'm going to show you how to measure shoulder mobility with the WFI shoulder range of motion evaluation. First thing I need to do is figure out my landmark, and this will involve doing two actual tests, one above the head and one below, but I have to have my landmark figured out first. Alex, if you can put your head forward. When he does that, there's a bony prominence here. That's C7, so that is the point from which I'm measuring. Okay, bring your head back up. For the first test, which is over the head, I'm just going to have him slowly reach. Go ahead, Alex. As far as he can go. All I'm doing is measuring the distance from the bottom of his hand to my landmark. Okay? Hand down. For the second evaluation, where I go under, he's going to reach slowly, and I'm going to measure the distance from the top of his hand to my landmark. The second method I'm going to show you involves using zones and a point system. The first thing I need to do is measure Alex's hand length, because that's going to be an important number for me when I use this method. What I'm going to do is take the tape measure, start at the crease of his wrist, measure out to the tip of his middle finger. I got 8 inches. I'm going to take half of that number, which is 4 inches. All right, from that point, I'm going to find that C7 point. I'm going to measure 4 inches above that. Anything above that line would give Alex a score of 1. Anything between that line and C7 is a score of 2. Anything below C7 and 4 inches from that point would be a 3. Anything below that would be a 4. All right, the second measurement I'm going to take is from underneath. What I have to do first is measure from C7 down 1.5 times the length of the hand measurement I got for Alex. All right, so that distance would be 12 inches. All right, that means that anything below 12 inches is going to give Alex a score of 1. Anything between 12 and 8 is going to give him a score of 2. Anything between 8 and 4 is going to be a score of 3. And anything above 4 is going to give him a score of 4.